Yeah, Dad and I went out estate sailing, and this is one of the estate sale finds, and we're going to see if it lights, so let's give it a shot. Alright, Dad collects Coleman lanterns and whatnot, but this is a brand
Garcia.
Fuel cell in the bottom, and it even came with an extra mantle that came from the Sportsman, Birmingham, Michigan, and they're 85 cents. I don't know if that's going to show up in the video or not. But alright, let's see if it lights up.
Okay. Oh, which way to light it?
Probably from the bottom, I would think, wouldn't you? Oh yeah. How do you like that?
God,
That thing lit right up. Nice little lantern.
must be a fuel cell, propane fuel cell on the bottom here.
You have to find something to refill them or get new ones.
Yeah, they probably buy new ones.
Uh-huh.
It's a Model L200.
Well, that's alright.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to give $12 for it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well,
I thought, oh well,
I got a lot more metal for my money. I got a snowblower for 30. So let's go take a look at what else we got.
All right, let me turn this off.
Okay. Alright, this is one of my finds. It needs a little straightening in there, and cleaning, but we'll take it apart. And
It definitely needs cleaning.
the thing is huge. It's really a big. We don't have anything to give a size comparison.
Here. There, you can compare it to my size.
There.
I'm
Yeah,
medium to large.
It's a good size thermometer, so we'll straighten this bent. I'll take the staples out of the ring and so I can clean the lens and clean it all up nice, and cool big thermometer. Another thing Dad collects is oil squirt cans.
And this is a Primo. This is an Eagle brand. Oh wow. And it came with oil.
That's a pretty neat oil squirt can. Then you got one like this.
Yes.
Dad's got an oil squirt can collection. I don't think he has any two of the same
Yeah, they're all
oil
different.
cans.
They're all different.
And like Dad, he collected banana stickers back in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, and he had thousands of them, and no two were the same.
Oh, your dad's kind of weird. Hand me that one there. Yeah, see, they're very similar, but the stem points in a different direction.
Yep, that one would be good for like oiling the oilers on generators and cars and stuff. That one would be pretty useless for that. That one's for more.
See, we got the label still on it.
Yep, it does too.
Yeah, which makes it very, very expensive, worthwhile. Maybe a whole $1.
All right, let's go show some of the other stuff. And I got the snowblower. It's a 2-stage. Ariens 7-horse, 24-inch, 4 forward and reverse. It's got a 7-horse Tecumseh without electric start. The electric start would have went right there if it had electric start. But it's just a gummed up carburetor. Like I say, estate sales, things, you know, people get old and they don't use them anymore, and they sit for 10, 15 years, and then they pass away, and then the estate is sold who knows how long later. So there was like a film of gas in the tank, and it was just really stunk, but it's got oil in it, and I sprayed a little gum out up into the carburetor throat, and it lit off with one pull until the gum out burned out. So I'll rebuild the carburetor on it and clean it up and paint it up and resell it. Do pretty good with machines like this. So this was a $30 machine. They wanted $75, and it was the 50% off day, so they wanted $37.50 for it, and I said 25 was my maximum offer because, you know, I know I got to do work on them. And she wouldn't go 25, so when I was ready to leave, she said she'd go 30, and I says, all right, I'll do 30 if somebody helped me lift it in the truck. So here it is, and this is the thing that changed the chute is right here. So it's actually a pretty nice machine for 30 bucks, but the paint's flaking, you know, so I'll scrape it with a putty knife and hit it with a pressure washer and paint it up, change oil, rebuild the carburetor, lubricate everything, and then put it up for sale. And I've sold everything so far that you've seen in the videos except for that red Craftsman generator. And so I might have to lower the price on it a smidge, we'll see. So anyway, this is the Snowblower. And I always pick up things like that in estate sales. So I also got this pantograph. And picked up this. And a couple of thermometers for like checking coolant temperatures or AC outlet temperatures. They're handy to have around. So, you know, I got a whole canning jar with about 6 of these and some rulers and the old big pencils and stuff for $1. So, and then this was 50% off, so it was $5, and we'll take that out of the box and have a look at it. Got a little tip on there for tools. Yeah, somebody really jammed something in there, didn't they? But let's see if it has a, how do I get to the switch? Where's it? Oh, there it is. So it's got variable on the switch and then on. So that's variable. And this is the knob. And it totally works. Now let's just turn it to on. It's actually pretty nice. Oh, and then it came with this bonus cable that looks like attaches to a drill motor.
Yeah, it does.
I don't think this attaches to this ginormous Dremel tool.
I doubt. Oh, it's hard to say, but I can't imagine it would. This is
But it definitely works.
a little high-powered, heavy-duty more than this is.
So that's just kind of what it came with. Some of these bits, and
It did?
yeah, right here. And it has a thing for the little cutter tips on the end, you know, where you put those little, when you want to cut off wheels.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that's all right. So I didn't see any price on the box, but there's a sticker on it, and it's dated 9/28/93. So this is from '93. So that wasn't bad for $5. 50% off day is the best day to go to sales, no doubt about that. And this was one of the things too at the estate sale. It's a BC. So it's full too. It's got a tag. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.